Don't forget smash the like button and the subscribe button, guys.
Yeah.
I'm
Let's
sorry
go.
about the noise because our
Let's go, bro. Why are
Okay.
you going there? Where are you? Mama Chup is here.
Oh my god.
I think I see him.
Oh,
I see
oh
him.
my god.
He's right here. Bro, I'm so laggy. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, me too. Let me
Oh my god, my screen!
Oh, what happened?
Oh my.
What is
Dead.
dead?
Dead.
Dead.
Where?
Dead.
Where is he? Oh, crap!
Oh, I dead.
Oh my god. You dead. You dead. You too dead. You cook.
Oh my god.
You dead. Die. Bro! How this guy is unstoppable?
I see you.
Oh shit, sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. That siblings do that always.
Eat. Oh.
Siblings do
I got this, bro. I got this.
that's what I got it, bro. What the hell?
Damn, I love it. I think I love it. It's cool.
I still
Oh my
don't
god.
get that.
Stupid dumbass.
I still don't get that my siblings.
7 kill.
Oh, you're so good. Oh my god.
Oh, don't kill my sibling. Hey, get out my way. It's...
Me 6 kills now.
good.
Come back, bro. Hey, don't kill me. Oh, I died because of that stupid girl.
And then...
And
Oh my god. He's here.
and I will introduce myself. My name is Skyler.
My name is John. John Wig.
Yeah.
Because I don't... That's my real name, John Wig.
Yeah. And the legend in the channel name is he just wanted to love the legend name, right?
Yeah, it's not my real name. That's
Yeah.
my...
So don't comment is that his real name because it's not.
Oh, come here, baby. He's dead. I killed them.
Oh, don't shoot me! I'm not.
Yeah, I know.
shooting you.
I kill me.
Huh?
Someone kill me.
I kill him too.
What's up, my boy? He's dead. He's dead. Let's stick together.
Cookie. I almost shoot you because of
Because it's jump scared.
yeah.
Oof.
Do you die?
Here? But from
Respawn.
accident.
Why? What?
Look my gun.
Oh, that's shine. That's good. I have that too. I will equip it later.
And I will go to be a sniper guy.
You already 13 kills? Well, that's good.
Yeah. And you 14.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, 16? I'm 16. Look.
no, I'm not. You're not 16. You're 8.
No. In the game, not in your years old, bro. What you talking about? Stop pranking me.
Bro, are you serious?
I died. Died.
I think it's... Please, guys, don't say... I miss my mom because I will go... Oh, someone... Oh, yeah, like that. Please don't... Or else... Wait.
And just subscribe to my sibling because I want to
Don't leave.
because I want to him get some money and have the silver like button, I think, like that.
Subscribe button.
Yeah, like that.
I see you.
Don't shoot me. I almost shoot.
How about we stay here?
Cookie. No, no. Someone will kill us because we are camping. So many people in the downstairs.
Freak this. Freak these people.
Yeah.
And bro, this guy is good.
You already good at this game, bro. Yeah. Die. Sorry, fans. We, I cannot show my POV because only my sibling can show it because he is
Bro, Bello, can you shut up?
yeah, doing something. Just playing.
I
hide
will
and
go
seek.
tomorrow. I think we
10 seconds left. Headshot.
10 left.
Yeah, 10 seconds left. Ooh, what's that? Aw. Open now.
I opened. Oh, the knife.
I
What's
want to
good?
open it. Oh, this is my best one. This
Me
is my
too.
best one. It's the legendary. Wait. Let's go.
How I'm dead.
Look at my gun. It's so good.
Me too.
Headshot.
It's so pew.
Yeah. I love it.
Only I have one kill.
Oh my god.
Oh, I will kill this guy.
Kill that. Kill
Oh.
him. Yeah, and
360.
and fans, we every game
I thought it's dead.
we play in me and my sibling is we are not fighting because we are a team. If you want to add me,
It's T13K5.
yeah,
Hello, brother.
yeah, hello,
And comment what's my favorite game.
yeah.
And my favorite tool in my Legos. Only one reveal. I have a Lego. But I have a lot of...
Me too, right? Me too.
I cannot kill this guy. This guy is powerful.
Me too. I have a Lego, right?
Yeah.
Because we built a Warhammer.
Yeah, that's my favorite movie.
Yeah.
Warhammer.
You always watch that. Not anything else. Only Warhammer and Lego.
Yep. Anyways, I will watch the Pamilyay is Philippines.
Philippines video. If you want to learn some Filipino,
Just comment. I will search it. I will give it.
and do you know Tagalog? If you don't know, it's the Philippine language.
Say, I love you po. It mean I love you.
Yeah. Or if mahal kita.